Hi, Matt Capell here with Capell Flooring and Interiors here in Meridian, Idaho. Hey, I just got another quick tip for you. So as far as countertops go, we still sell a lot of granite and we sell a lot of quartz. They're very popular. This is kind of a little bit newer. Most granites and counters are very shiny and they happen to be a lot kind of like a window. And this right here, and this is actually my own personal house, this is called leathered granite, or it's textured. And basically what they do is they brush it and it gets rid of all the soft pores and things. And what I love best about it is it's really, really easy to keep clean. And it's not like, a lot of granites are really shiny or quartzes are shiny. And like you see streaking, you see any spots, spills, anything. It's like a window. If you don't wipe the window really well, you can see it. I love this in particular because I feel like we avoid what I call chasing your tail syndrome, where you're just always trying to clean it because it looks bad. And this looks good all the time. And yes, we do clean it, but it's not so in your face if you need to not clean or wipe it for a couple days. You really can't tell. And it just has a little bit more texture to it and it feels kind of cool. So again, that's why I like leathered granite. It's just kind of a fun, less maintenance option, and we do sell that. And so if you're interested, just let us know. We also sell the other granites and quartzes as well. They're beautiful. So appreciate you taking time. If you have any questions, just give me a shout out below and I'll answer your question for you. Thanks so much.